Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, before us right now we have a problem which we have to solve. So let us do it the Hallelujah way. Alright, they say that 2 raised to the power of n is equal to y. Find 2 raised to the power of 2 plus n all over 2. Now what we are going to do from the problem, they say that we should find 2 raised to the power of 2 plus n all over 2. Now, if you look at this problem, 2 raised to the power of 2 plus n all over 2, you will agree with me that this problem emanated as a result of the application of addition law of indices, which says that when the both bases are the same, you take one of the base and add the powers. That simply means that it was gotten from 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of n all over 2. This led to 2 raised to the power of, in brackets, 2 plus n all over 2. So now what do? We know that 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of n all over 2. Now you will agree with me that 2 raised to the power of n all over 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of n multiplied by 1 all over 2. So we will say that from the question they say that if 2 raised to the power of n is equal to y, now we have 2 raised to the power of n here. So we are going to substitute y in place of 2 raised to the power of n. So we write 4 multiplied by y raised to the power of 1 all over 2, which is the same thing as 4y raised to the power of 1 all over 2. So when we solve, this is what we have as our final answer. This is a WAEC question 2015 edition. Do well to pause the video, watch all over again, replay the video to get the message and a clear understanding. Do well to follow the page Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.